So what I have so far, everything is just bearish. Everything. So since we had that sweep, it's only been a few minutes. Price hasn't been able to figure it all out. Possible inverse. This, another. I mean, it did kind of get disrespected, so I don't even want to trade off this. Yeah, so the inverse is kind of working as like this. This is kind of what it's doing. But I want it to go up. So I'm just kind of waiting. Plus it's pre-market, so there's not going to be too much volatility going on for the next minute. 30 seconds now. This is Michigan. I'm not worried about Michigan, bro. And then I got news telling me about like the top 3 like moves pre-market. Oh my gosh. There we go, market's open. Oh. I mean, I guess this could be like a good sell opportunity, but I'm not gonna take it. Because we got the liquidity sweep. We kind of had that retracement like right here. And then this 1 minute inverse is kind of like putting in work. It's not letting price go above it. But it looks like price does want to go above it. So, I don't know. We'll see what it does. Dude. This is the boring thing, bro. I gotta sit here and just wait for that to like happen. Bro, and my house is still 80 degrees. I woke up last night at like 3:30. Bro. I could have streamed the London session, honestly. How would that have turned out? It might have just been a huge waste of my time if I was to do that. Yeah, because I would have stayed up till 7 just to maybe get a good entry. I'm not staying up till 7. We gotta break a structure right here though, because this is technically that high, and it broke above that high. So technically we are bullish. And it didn't really sweep anything. Yeah, if I was to buy on this, I would have. I just stubbed my toe. If I was to buy on this, I would not have a very high take profit. I don't know, it looks like price wants to just it looks like it wants to keep going down. Yeah, it still says misconfigured. Yeah, that did look like it just wanted to inverse. Yeah, that's just dropping. Two huge bearish candles. Yeah, okay. I'm doing this. I'm just gonna back test. I accidentally skipped past that New York session. In the morning, 9 in the morning. Okay. So what I'm waiting for here, I'm waiting for this to sweep this liquidity right here. Wait, I still need to get my bias. Yeah, everything looks like it's gonna go up. That's what it looks like. So we got a sweep right here. Didn't really sweep any London lows. No. Actually did, because I think it opens at 3. Yeah, so this candle, yeah, it did sweep London lows. So I'm expecting a bit of like a pullback here. And hopefully from here it gives me an entry. But it is really choppy. Off this order block right here. That could be the case. Nope, doesn't look like it. Yeah, so what we did have is we had, yeah, this price is still not doing anything. So this, it's within equilibrium, so we're looking for these areas right here. So I'm looking for this to be filled. I'm looking for this to be filled. And this, the order block, that's a big order block. So yeah, there's 3 different zones right here where it could just kind of bounce. Yeah. Possibly not. I guess it did. No, I'm not gonna sit here and sell. That's stupid. Yeah, if I would have sold at yeah, I don't know. This market right here is been pretty choppy. Back testing. This market is just kind of not moving. We had this move down, but other than that, it's not really doing much. And I don't want to just sell just because of it. Is it gonna work? Can I see myself? No. Oh my gosh. It's alright. I'm profitable here, so I can figure this out. Dude, I'm so hungry, bro. So it looks like we're kind of just sitting here waiting. This previous move down didn't really sweep anything. Yeah, no, not really. It could be a no trade day, but there we go. It's coming back up. So I have two sort of confluences here. I have this. That's the order block, because it's the move up before the move down and the break of structure. That's what an order block is. So I'm looking for price to show some sort of rejection, and I'll probably nice healthy stop loss. But I want to see it tap back into this inverse fair value gap before I trade anything. Top one, there we go. 7454.1. Oh, that's above margin. 250 maybe? 275 maybe? Oh, I guess it's kind of all based on where the price is going. It looks like it's rejecting. So depending on what this next candle looks like, I might press the sell button. Yeah, it looks like it wants to just go down. Even though that's what price has been doing for like days. Yeah, right now I'm just kind of looking for a trade here. I'm looking for a reason to enter. So I need this price to come back up, and it doesn't really look like it wants to cross this. But I do want to make like a healthy stop loss. Since last time, I just keep getting stopped out. It's so annoying. So yeah, if price comes back, honestly, I'll say like right here. So we have a nice 1 to 2. So right here, I'm gonna, yep, stop loss, take profit. Yep. Yep, so I got this market order right here. If price taps back into it, then I'm entered in. But probably not. It probably won't enter me back. But I know I have my bias right, because everything just wants to drop. Like, look at this. This is insane. For 4 days, we've dropped a total of 2%. Or how many days is this? 7 times 4, so a full day. It's just kind of been going down. Yeah, it looks like that's gonna hit my take profit before it hits my entry. One thing that I do see, I see entry right here. That's a fair value gap and an inverse right here. And this liquidity sweep. So that could be a trade right there, since I know it's going to continuously keep going down. Honestly, I might rather trade off that. Actually, no, because if it goes back up here, yeah. Yeah. If price does actually ever come back up here, this is going to be like a really good entry, but I highly doubt it. Yeah, but it looks like it wants to just keep going down. I sure hope that it does, because if I lose again, I'm going to be so mad. Okay, I might get entered in. Yep, it looks like it, yep. So I'm entered in shorts. Got this 1 minute order block, I got this 1 minute fair value gap. Although that already did previously get filled, but this probably still has that power behind it. And everything is bearish, so I'm not really stressing too much. Plus it looks like we have like what is this? Sunrise candle or something? Yeah. So I'm not too worried. It looks like price wants to just go back down. These numbers are like messed up a little bit. But I mean, if I'm losing less and making more, I mean, oh well. It did look like it was rejecting off here for a second though. I don't know what it's doing now. But I hope that it just keeps going down. It could. No, this is a solid trade. I'm not worried. Dude. No way I get stopped out, right? No way I get stopped out. Are you... How did I lose? Bro, literally, how did I lose? Oh my gosh. I can't with this, bro. Alright, bro. Honestly, I'm gonna come back. I'll be back for Asia. We don't have Asia session, so this is the last trading session of the week. So I'm done for the week. I ended the week off. How many losses did I have? 4. And then the previous week, it's literally just straight red, bro. Yeah, I'll be back on Monday.